Hey everyone, this is Karina Daninger with Keller Williams coming to you live today on this gorgeous first day of summer here in sunny Florida. That is about 85 degrees, the sun is up, the clouds are nice and soft and puffy, so I hope wherever you are watching this, you are feeling the same warmth we are down here. But that's not why I'm here. I'm here to tell you I have a most amazing, spectacular one-year new home in Sawgrass Lakes coming very soon. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, gorgeous 2-story, and the neighborhood we're in is Sawgrass Lakes in West Melbourne. If you're not familiar, let me tell you about the neighborhood. It is a resort-style community. We have a very large swimming pool with a 2-story high, that's right, 2-story high water slide, huge clubhouse. We have a man's poker room, game room. We have a workout room. We have the study room. There's all sorts of great things in Sawgrass Lakes. Also in Sawgrass Lakes, we are only literally minutes away from shopping. We have hammock landings straight across the way. When you cross Minton Road, you have 192, 2 entrances to 95 going north and south, and you're just minutes from the beach, FIT, Florida Institute of Technology, and Eastern Florida State College, all right around the corner. 45 minutes to the Orlando Airport and 10 minutes to Melbourne Airport. So let's go on into the house. But before we do, look how beautiful the paver driveway is. The color choices on the house, and as I said, it's only a year old. The folks are getting transferred out, and this house will be on the market very, very soon. So we're here today with Julia Scheinman, who is helping me do the Facebook Live and did our photography. So make sure you give them a shout out because my camera's not shaking while I show you the house. And let's go ahead on in and take a look at what we have in this gorgeous home. I have to tell you that the decorations the wife did in here is spectacular and absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and feel that air conditioning. It feels great. When you first walk in, you're greeted by a beautiful foyer with high ceilings. You have the staircase right off the side going up to the bedrooms, which we'll go in a few minutes. We have a great coat closet, which actually goes, you can't really see, but it goes way under the stairs, which is awesome storage. So if you're from the north and you miss having basements and attic space, that's awesome. Then as we walk in, I want to show you the beautiful tile floors. And then we're going to come to the first door on the right, and let's take a peek. In here is our very sweet half bath. Isn't that nice? And then we're going to come right to the left a little bit and take a look at this very large pantry. Oops, I think I forgot to turn the light on. Very deep, tall pantry in there. Oh, and Julia's take a shot of our sink. I have to say this little kitty does not convey, but I think maybe she wants a bath. She wasn't there when we were doing photos, was she?
No.
No, that's so funny. Look at this gorgeous kitchen. It has the very tall cabinets, gorgeous cabinets, stainless steel appliances, awesome open floor plan. It takes you right on into the living room and the dining room, which we'll go over in a minute. But just as Julius is panning around, I just want you to see it's one big, great room, which is spectacular. And that's what everybody wants now, is everybody to be together, yet have little compartments within the great room. Then if we come this way, we're going to go take a look at the laundry room. And the laundry room is right off the kitchen with its own separate entity. And it's got nice high ceilings and plenty of space for storage. And then behind us from the laundry room is the entrance into the garage, but we're not going to go in there. Everyone knows what a 2-car garage looks like. Then we're going to pan on over here. And you're going to see they actually added in more cabinets when they had the house built and made a nice little bar area within the dining room, which was a very, very good idea. And you'll see how sweet that dining room is. Beautiful windows, double pane windows, D.R. Horton's now doing. You can actually open them and they come forward so you can clean them. It's nice. We had that up north. The south in Florida is finally catching on. We like to clean our windows. So the windows are great. And then as you pan on over, you'll see the double slider glass door, which will go out back at the end. But isn't this nice how open this is? Let's take a look at the downstairs master bedroom. The master bedroom has the additional sitting room that was included. So you'll see how big this room is. You could set up an office in here, a sitting room. You could do your jazzercise. Whatever you want to do in this, there's plenty of space. I've seen it where people have put French doors on that sitting room and made it another office or an extra room off the master. Made it very sweet. Right now it's a little nursery. Great floor plan. I love this floor plan. Then we're going to go on into the master bath, where you'll be greeted by counter high double sinks with the granite countertops, a nice big garden soaking tub, and then let me just slide this open. We have a very nice shower with a beautiful Listello wrapping around the tile. And then if you go to the right, we're going to go on into the walk-in closet, which is large enough to hide a small family in. So you have plenty of space for all your clothing needs, shoes, pocketbooks, you name it, it's in here. And now we're going to go on back through the house and we're going to head on upstairs. So one of the things that I love about this house is you have the master bedroom downstairs. You have a giant loft upstairs, which we're about to go see, and very large rooms. All the rooms in this particular model in this house are very big, which is spectacular. Even the closets in the rooms are oversized, and some are walk-ins, which is great because you don't typically get that in the 2 stories. And now we're in the loft. This loft is awesome. It could be a second family room. It could be a gaming room, a movie room. You could easily darken this room and put a projector up and have a total movie room in here, or just a mess room for the kids. A nice just one window in here that you would have to block out, and the one over the steps if you wanted to darken the room. It should not be that hard to do. So over here is bedroom number 2. Go on in. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the depth of the closet. And you can see it's a little hard to tell on the phone, but it is a walk-in. And there's plenty of space in there. And so as we come back out, we're going to walk down the hallway, and to our right is bedroom number 3. And you'll see how nice the size is, beautiful window. It's a really great size bedroom. We have additional storage space up here, which is great, so you're not running down to the linen closet. Right here to my left is the next bedroom, also a really great size bedroom. She's got some big furniture in here, and there's still plenty of space to do your calisthenics, push-ups, whatever. And I'm going to show you this closet over here. So in this closet also is very, very deep. So look, I'm all the way in the closet and there's still plenty of room. So you have plenty of space in these closets. And like I said, that's not normal in our upstairs homes. And then we have the upstairs bath with, again, counter high countertops, double sinks, beautiful cabinetry, and her shower is very, very nice too. Matches the same style of the master bath downstairs with the Listello. This one is a tub shower combo. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back downstairs so I can show you this huge backyard they have. So another great thing about living in this area is that we have everything at our fingertips. The shopping galore has been going crazy. Northrop Grumman is right in our backyard. Lockheed Martin, Paris is right down the street. SpaceX is 30 minutes up the highway. You have Origin coming into town, starting to take up space. Just remember, the cat does not convey, no matter how cute she is. And now when you're out back, you decide you're ready for that cold beverage in the afternoon, check your private backyard. This is your own oasis. So if you don't want to go down to the clubhouse where all the action is, and let me tell you, you're only bored here if you want to be, because there's always something going on, look at this. And I'm going to stop talking for a second and just listen. Do you hear that? It's quiet. The kids are out of school and you don't hear anything. Nobody's going to be able to build behind you. That is a conservation area. And so you have privacy. If you want to put a fence up, you want to put a pool or a hot tub, you have the space to do it. And you are in your own little private oasis. If you don't want to put that up, you don't forget, you still have all the stuff and the amenities, walking trails, the basketball courts, the pavilion, the clubhouse, the swimming pool, and so much more within Sawgrass Lakes. So this house will be coming on the market very soon. If you need more information before we go live with it, please contact me, Karina Daninger with Keller Williams. And thank you for joining us. Please remember to like and share so we can get the word out. And have a great day. See you on the next time.